sadistic f***. These appear to be welded or captured nuts in some fashion, so that's kind of nice.
What does that mean?
I don't have to shove a wrench up on the backside of a bunch of nonsense to get them out.
Happy Vlogmas, everyone. Mike is replacing my steering rack today.
These are much more compliant. Makes me wonder. I'm supposed to have a wrench on the backside. How much more is involved in just taking this stupid son? I think it's missing most of the fasteners. Oh, that's loose. I'm not having fun anymore. I can really knock a bunch of garbage into my eyes. It's gonna be sweet. Alright, is this a good time or what? I suppose I'll locate my damn vice grips and find the center of the should be middle-ish. Alright, I get to wrestle this bitch back in. Assume that O-ring's still there because I can't feel anything with my goddamn fingers. And it's not a place that's readily visible. So that's excellent. Twisted. Hopes and prayers. What the hell's the backup plan? I don't know if this one's gonna be operable by morning. Running in the last 4 turns of the wrench. 1/12th of a turn at a time. Well, maybe it's just because I can't feel my goddamn fingertips. That could be a factor. Maybe. Got things I'd much rather be doing. I'm gonna say that's tight. super duper. Just jam all this garbage back together.
My phone keeps dying. Let's assume that Mike got it fixed tonight. I've got to work in the morning at 5. He's out here working hard to try and get this all put back together, so I can drive to work in the morning. You have a wonderful evening. Happy holiday season, happy Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.